Yeah. I can do anything. Yeah.
Alright. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Daiya back at again with another video, and today's video is going to be me showing you guys how to do the Beyoncé inspired braids. Okay, so I actually been wanting these for a while. I've been actually supposed to have had these, but you know, it was a lot of difficulties trying to get this hairstyle. Alright, so I'm gonna just be showing you guys the hair that I use because I didn't show it throughout the tutorial. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just show it, you know, for the intro. So I use two different types of hair. Okay, by the way, I really suggest this hair because it's pretty feathered, so it's already pretty stretched and everything. You can pretty much is able, like, you can dip it in hot water and everything like that without like getting the, like, you know how sometimes we dip synthetic hair in hot water, it just kind of like crinkles in a weird way. This right here, it crinkled crinkled pretty good. So I highly suggest this. This is 44 inches. So let me just tell you guys the name before I really get into detail of what the hair is. Sorry for the glare. This is the King pre-feathered tips hair. This is, you get like 3 different little bundles with it, which is why I suggested. It's 44 inches. So 44 inches is pretty long. For me, it is down to my, so the colors that this color right here is the one I mainly use on my hair. I had 2 packs of this one. I use a pack in like 2 bundles. So yeah, I use like a pack in 2 bundles. This one is 1B, and then it's like the ends are dyed with T30. So that is how it looks. Something new was this one is 1B and 613. And you guys gonna see that when I braided my hair, you guys couldn't really like see the hair because of the light, but like I'm trying to make sure you don't see the glare. But that is pretty much how it looks. It's like a bleach blonde. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and keep watching if you guys want to see the rest of this tutorial.
So I am starting off with the 613 hair. This is the one that has the bleach blonde ends, and I am taking the hair and I'm going to be splitting it into 3 pieces. As you can see, I'm taking some Shine and Jam gel, and I'm making sure I leave out my baby hairs so that, you know, when I take it out, I still got some baby hairs. But I'm taking the Shine and Jam gel, and I'm just going to be slicking up the perimeter of the braid just to give it a nice sleek look. And then after that, I am going to be starting off by braiding a little bit of my own hair. Now with the first piece, I actually did like an under over under. It can be kind of difficult to do the actual knotless technique in your own hair, and this is actually my first time doing it, and for it to be my first time, I feel like I did it pretty well. But anyway, I'm just doing an under over under. This is just another way to like keep it from like showing. So I mean, it was a pretty good technique for me. And from there, I'm just taking the middle piece and I'm going over with one of the outside pieces. And this is kind of technically, as my mom said it, this is kind of like the old school way of doing the feed-in of how I did it. And then I just braided a little bit, and then I took the second piece and I added the second piece by also doing the over under over, the under over under, sorry. And yeah, so I just did that for for this piece, and also the last piece, as you guys is going to be seeing, as you're gonna see. And then yeah, I just went in and just started braiding the hair. So now I'm going to be adding the final touches to, you know, the braids. So I did want to do a tight curl. I usually use curling rods to curl the ends of the hair instead of if I didn't want them straight, and I didn't want them straight, so I just braided the ends. Alright, so now I'm going to be dipping the braids into hot water. It's very, very important to make sure you dip your ends in hot water after you are finished with the braids. This is just to keep from the braids from unraveling. It keeps the ends nice and smooth. To be honest, there's a lot of benefits of dipping your hair into hot water, or not your actual hair, but like the braids into hot water. Another thing is that it do give you some quick curls, especially when it comes to braids, especially when you don't want to like have them sit and rest. So as you can see, after I dipped that braid in that hot water, it got this cute crinkle, and I have to tell you, these crinkles are bomb. So I decided to go in and add some hair jewelry to the hair. So I added these like nice like shells into the hair, which you tend to see this a lot when you see people with like that decide to go with the bohemian look for these braids, or the goddess braids, the individual goddess braids I'm trying to say. So I added these shells, and I really like the shells. I used to wear these a lot when I was younger with also the brown beads. I also add some mousse. I'm still trying to figure out why I added mousse after I put the hair jewelry in. I was a bit backwards, but it's cool though. I just went in, and at the top I just, put some mousse on my hair so that it can last. So that's the end of this tutorial of me doing these inspired Beyoncé knotless braids. That is basically how the finish should look, because I forgot to show it on camera. But anyway, love you guys. Bye.